Okay, as I said, here we're on to part two. If I could get a close back that sounds as good as the HiFiMan HE400Is, that's kind of what I'm trying to do. So I'm looking for something like that. I have the One Mores, but they just don't have the clarity and the crisp and the live sound like the HE400s do. So I'd like to find a close back that has that crisp clarity kind of sound to it. So I'm kind of fumbling around to see what my next set's going to be. But anyway, I figured out about DACs because I watched a lot of reviews about the M100, and it was compared to one reviewer said he couldn't hear the difference between that and the E30, and another reviewer said it sounded he couldn't hear the difference between that and the D50S, which is a $250 DAC, and he said it sounded the exact same as this M100. So that's got me convinced that to get what I would consider to be better sound than these XQ50s, I'm going to have to probably spend like 400 and maybe get like the MU9 that just came out, the new SMSL one with the Pro 38s, the Pro 38 chip. And I don't want to do that. I'd rather spend my money on headphones because I'm actually pretty happy with the sound that I'm very happy with the sound that these XQ50s make. They sound really good. Also, I was thinking about making uh, another video about. I have two more pairs of headphones, but they're both discontinued models. These are the Sony. The current iteration of this model would be the Sony CH700N. And I'm not 100% sure, but I'm pretty sure the sound is identical between these here and that model. And then these are the Sony MDR100 ABN. And the current model of this is the H900N Sony. And so I'm pretty sure the sound is identical. This one has way more features now. And if these break or if I decide to get another Bluetooth headphone, I'm about sold on the H900N just because of all the features that it has and the sound quality of these. If it's the same, that'd be perfect. That would be fine. These H900Ns, or these red ones, they actually rival those One Mores in sound quality, the over-ears. I mean, they're so close. I mean, they're right neck and neck with each other, so they sound that good running over Bluetooth, which is good enough for me for a Bluetooth headphone. Because I basically only use these in my truck now. And I could do a side-by-side comparison, a versus, or I could do one of each, but I'm hesitant to do that because I don't want to do reviews of models that you can't buy anymore. So if anyone would like to see that, you could leave a message in the comments, and if somebody wants to see it, I'll go ahead and make it. But as for right now, I don't want to do it because they are discontinued models. But yeah, I was just thinking about my system and the different changes I'm going through with it, and this is all a journey for me. I never planned on getting amps or DACs or Bluetooth receivers or any of this stuff. It's all just kind of happening as I go along. And it all kind of started when I bought these HE400Is because these headphones are really something special, and it's fun to buy stuff to try to get it to sound better. So that was my thoughts for the day, and this will be a two-parter, like I said. So thanks for watching. Have a good day. Bye.